Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia world. This is Varun Ganga. Guys, in the last session we have learned how to do multiplication of two-digit numbers in which the tens place are 1 and the units place are of any kind. And with recording to the same shortcut, in this session we are going to have a look of some more examples. The example that I am going to take in this session is 19 into 11. So guys, before going to use this shortcut, at first we have to check whether our conditions are satisfying or not. The number one condition that has to be satisfied here is the digits that are in tens place should be 1. Now if you check the digits here, in 19 we are having 1 in tens place and in the 11 we are having 1 in tens place. So our condition number 1 is satisfied. And now coming to condition number 2, the digits that are in units place are of different digits or maybe same digits. So condition number 3 is also satisfied. So before going to use the shortcut, at first what we had to do here is we had to write these 19 and 11 one below the other, and we had to place two horizontal bar like this as we do multiplication in our old traditional way. Now after writing these numbers like this, the first step that we have to do here is we have to multiply the digits that are in its units place. So here in the units place we are having 1 and 9. So if you multiply 1 into 9, you will get 9, and this 9 should be written below the horizontal bars like this on the right side. Now what we are going to do here is the second step. Now we have to take the digit that is in units place of multiplier, and we have to add this digit to the multiplicand, that is 19. And if you add 19 plus 1, you will get 20. You just take down that 20 below the horizontal bars and write it on the left side like this. Now if you combine these two results, you will get the final result, that is 19 into 11 is equals to 209. So guys, this is the way how you can use the shortcut in order to get the result not less than 20 seconds. So guys, I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this shortcut. And now let us have a look of one more example regarding the same shortcut. The next example that I am going to take in this session is 19 into 19. So guys, before going to use the shortcut, at first we have to make sure that whether our conditions are satisfying or not. So if you see the numbers 19 and 19, here it is having 1 in its tens place, and of course this 19 is also having 1 in its tens place. So our condition number 1 is satisfied. And now coming to condition number 2, the digits in its units place, that is in its ones place, may be of any kind. So here we are having 9 and 9, they are of same kind, so it is also not a problem. So our condition number 2 is also satisfied. Now coming to the point how to use the shortcut. At first we have to write these numbers one below the others by placing a horizontal bars like this. That is how we are going to do multiplication in our old traditional way. Now coming to the step number 1 of shortcut, at first we have to multiply the digits that are in its ones place. So here we are having 9 and 9, and if you multiply 9 into 9, you will get 81. And it is being a two-digit number, we had to take the digit in its ones place, that is 1, and we had to take down that below the horizontal bar and we had to write it on the right side like this. Now the second point says that we had to take the ones place digit of the multiplier and we had to add it to the multiplicand, and if there is any carry on, we have to add it to it. So guys, by adding the numbers, that is 19 and the ones digit of the multiplier 9 and the carry on 8, we get 36. So this 36 should be taken below the horizontal bars and it should be written on the left side like this. Now by combining the results 36 and 1, we get the final result, that is 19 into 19 is equals to 361. So guys, this is the way how we can do the shortcut in order to get the product when we are multiplying a two-digit number in which the digits in its ones place are of any kind and the digits in its tens place are 1. So guys, I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this shortcut. Now let us have last example of this shortcut in this session. The last example that I am going to take in this session is 19 into 21. Guys, let us write these numbers one below the other by placing horizontal bars at first. Now guys, before going to use the shortcut, we have to check whether our conditions are satisfying or not. So if you check the numbers that are in its tens place, that is regarding condition number 1, these two numbers are of different digits. So therefore we can say that we cannot use this shortcut to simplify it. Why? Because it is not at all possible to use the shortcut. Why? Because our condition number 1 is not at all satisfying here. So therefore we can use any other method to simplify it. So guys, with this last example, I think you have understood when to use this shortcut. This shortcut can be used only when the digits in its tens place are of only 1 and the digits in its ones place are of any kind. I hope that you have enjoyed in using this shortcut, and in the next session we are going to have a new and different shortcut. For watching this video, thank you, have a nice day.